Welcome in this special video. One of my channel followers sent me a challenge to create a mobile application connected to OTM. In this video, I will show you how to create a mobile app in less than 10 minutes, and this mobile application will be connected to OTM. First, we will create the integration with OTM Cloud. We will provide the OTM Cloud URL, such as the link here. We have to provide the credential of the user created in OTM with the REST API access right. Now we are focusing on the endpoint. For this one, we want to collect the full list of shipments. After testing our request, we just need to save it as an example. We had another one to get the list of shipment stops for a selected shipment. All detail of OTM REST API endpoints is available on the following link. We test the request and we save it. Now we will build the mobile application. We give a short name of the application. We select the main template. On the main page, we will show a table with the list of shipments. We just need to drag and drop the table component. We will use the quick start to load the data in our table. We just need to select the endpoint created before and the required fields. We select the shipment XID as a primary key that will be used later in our app's configuration. And finally, we will update the column title for better understanding. This is the main page of our application. Let's go a step further and add a shipment stop detail page after doing the selection of the shipment. After selecting the just added table, we click on Events tab and we add an event based on row selection event. We drag and drop the navigate actions on the action chain. The page does not exist yet. We create it. We open the new created page. We need to pass the selected shipment as parameter to the new created page. So we need to create a variable that will store the selected shipment in our new page. We create the variable in the new page and we allow input parameter to receive the selected shipment from the main page. The action change, we just have to drag and drop the selected row in the new variable created as parameter for the new page. The content of the selected row is the primary key of the endpoint mentioned before. We need to add the domain name as the selected primary key is the shipment XID but does not have the domain information. We can test this flow by adding an input text and show the content of the variable in our new page. I start from the main page of the apps with live mode. We can see the shipment number is right. Now we drag and drop a table that will contain the selected shipment stops details information. To populate the shipment stop detail information in the table, we need to create a variable with a type of service data provider that will be the second endpoint created before. So now we need to assign the endpoint to our new created variable. We select all fields available from this endpoint. In our endpoints, we have a parameter, shipment GID. We need to map this parameter with the previous created variable that contains the shipment ID. Now we assign the shipment stop detail variable to the table and we select the field we want to show. Of course, we can customize the column header name for better understanding. For navigation, we will add a button on top of the page to go back to the shipment list. Now we can test the application. To make a better look and feel, we can add some icons or images just by doing a drag and drop. And of course, we can also update the page title.